In this demo, Digit is given scene information about the objects in its environment. It knows that there are several items on the floor with semantic information.
Hey Digit, clean up this mess.
When I walk on screen, I issue a voice command to Digit, which it recognizes based on hearing its name. At this point, Digit makes a prompt to an LLM that solves for what it can do to satisfy this voice command given its physical intelligence around how it can interact with the world. The prompt is specially constructed so that Digit can interpret the response of the LLM as a set of actions it can take in the world. The command is interpreted to mean that Digit should pick up the trash on the floor and put it in the bins. This interpretation is not directly encoded in any part of the prompt or software. Digit's LLM generates this from its own semantic interpretations of a mess, trash, bins, and clean. Once this response is decoded, Digit begins performing the actions it has determined will satisfy the command. In other situations, Digit's LLM can decide to do other actions, like move around, or gestures such as waving. The entire demo shown here, from concept to execution, was completed within 2 weeks using an unmodified Digit platform. To recap what we just saw, after hearing a voice command, Digit successfully moved all the trash on the floor into the appropriate bins for each item. Digit started out knowing that there are different types of items and different bins used for recycling or garbage, but at no point is Digit instructed on how to clean or what a mess is. Digit uses an LLM to interpret how best to achieve this goal with its physical capabilities.